In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can comment in your spreadsheet here in the Google Sheets app. So it's 2026 already and you still don't know how to comment or add a comment on your spreadsheet using your Sheets app? Well, don't worry, here's how you're going to do it. So I have this example and you'll see that my old price and my new price are quite the same. Let's say I'm collaborating with someone else on this and I want them to fix it. So what I'm going to do is to leave a comment so that they would know that there's something wrong with the spreadsheet. So to add that comment, what I'm going to do is to actually tap on the cell that I want to comment to, which is my new price header right here. Tap on that, then tap on it again until you see those options. So clearly we don't see our comment option right here. So I'm going to go to the ellipsis for more options. And here we have it. So here we have the comment and the note. So I'm going to tap on comment. And here we have it. As soon as I do that, my cell is highlighted in yellow. And what I'm going to do now is to just type in the comment. There you go. Once that's done, I'm going to tap on this arrow pointing to the right. And here is my comment. So I've successfully added a comment right there. So how do we know that we have a comment on this spreadsheet or the sheet? You'll see on my tab right here, we have that number 1, which is in a comment box or in a text box. That would indicate that there's a comment on this spreadsheet. Also, you will see this right here. If I zoom in, we have that yellow triangle at the top right corner of that cell, indicating that the comment is actually on this one. So to quickly view your comments on your spreadsheet, just go to the comment icon at the top, and there you have it. It will show all the comments on this spreadsheet right away. So if we wanted to add another one, go to the old price. I can select that and I can also tap on the icon right here to quickly add that comment. So that's our second method in adding a comment. I selected the cell while my comments are open and I just tap on this icon right here. So now I can just type in my comment. There you go. Once you're done, tap on the arrow pointing to the right, and there is our second comment. And there you have it. So that's how you can comment on your spreadsheet using your Google Sheets mobile app. If you're interested in learning more on how to use the Sheets app, I do have a full playlist to this that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner. Also, if you need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick video. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.